Again, this is the fifth Python practical. So I'm going to create a new file in Jupyter Notebook, and I will rename this file as a fifth Python practical. All right, so let's start this. And in this video, what I'm going to talk in detail, that is the different types of data available for the operations. So as you might be knowing that the data types is what the kind of variables what you are declaring in the programming, and for that you require the data types. But especially in the Python, that is more into the indirect types based on the the kind of values what you are assigning to the variables. Automatically type the variables type will be converted. So let's discuss, and better I'll go to the comment sections here, and here you can use this part, heading part, and here different type of data types in Python. Okay, and so first one is the data types is what? Number. Second one is the string. Third one is the list. Fourth one is the tuple, and fifth one is the set, and sixth one set, and sixth one is dictionary. These are the you can assume that the one of the widely used data types, and which are being used in the Python. So one by one we'll discuss. Okay, and so first we'll discuss about the Python number data type. So let's discuss about the number. So in the code block only we'll discuss about the number. The numbers are basically the four types. First one is the first is integer, second one is the float, and third one is the long, and fourth one is the complex number. Okay, so how basically how you will come to know that what kind of data types particular values is being used. So we will take simple examples. Let's say, so x is equal to, I'm just going to assign the simple integer value. So x is equal to 10, and print the value of percent of d. Percent of d is one of the placeholder basically for the decimal number, I mean the integer number, so you can use here. And data type equal to, and you can use for the string percent of s. And how it can be printed, I'll tell you that we are going to print the two basically values. So one is the if you want to print the two values, what you can do, just to inside the bracket, you can say circular brackets. First you start with the percentage, then inside the brackets you type the two variables. So first variable I wanted to this decimal value, so original value should be printed here, x, okay, and comma, and then I'm just going to print the type of x, I mean what type it belongs. So let's print this value, then we will come to know. So here what is saying that the I'm sorry, here the spelling mistake. So the value of x is equal to 10. Okay, the value of x is equal to 10, and data type belong to the class. So each and every data types belong to the particular class, because everything in the Python is, you can assume that, class and object form. So it's belong to the integer class, right? So that's how. Then now again I will just copy same part, and I'm just going to assign the different kind of values here. some garbage data is coming. I'll delete here and I'll just copy this cell and control V. So let's say x is equal to 10.5, right? And instead of here need to be make sure that the for the floating values we have to write here percent of f. So you can see that x is equal to 10.500. Automatically this values can be taken by the Python. So and the type belong to the float class. Then same thing I'll just copy and instead of I'm just going to make it the long value. So any long value you can assign 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and then let us here, if we are going to print the long, you can use a percent of u unsigned integer, basically that is called. And let's see what is the type of this. So this part also belong to the integer only, but it has the capacity to store the larger numbers. That's how this is a longer data types. Okay, and one more most important part is complex number. So what exactly the complex number is that? So let's say I'm taking one variable complex is equal to better I'll give comp, because sometimes if you are giving the keywords name it gives the error. So 2 plus and 9j, right? This is one of the complex number. So one is the real number, second one part is the imaginary number. So if I'm just going to print the value of this, so control C, and here I'm just going to print. So this complex number can be printed using the string percent of s only. So there's no need to but here we need to change the variable name. So here you can see complex number equal to this and data types belong to this, and the variable name here comp, and here also we'll check the comp. Done. We change the variable. Now let's see. So what it's saying that there is some invalid syntax. So 2 plus 9j, and wow, we are making mistakes equals, and we haven't put. So the value of complex number equal to 2 plus 9j, data types belong to the complex. So these are the basically the 4 major widely used type in the numbers. So okay, so hope you understand very well. So this is for the number data types, and we'll come with the next video, and we will discuss about the other data types. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much.